Coco's entire visit from start to finish. The moment Coco arrived, she acted like she owned the place. First, she did a full security inspection, carefully sniffing every corner to make sure everything met her high standards. Once the inspection was complete, Coco moved on to the most important part of the visit, finding snacks. She searched high and low, hoping someone would share a treat or two. After a successful snack hunt, she spent time making sure everyone gave her the attention she deserved. After a busy day of adventures, Coco finally decided it was time for a well-earned nap. But before leaving, she made one last round to make sure nobody forgot she had been there. Thanks for watching Coco's entire visit. If she made you smile, don't forget to like and subscribe. It's completely free and helps support the channel. Every like and subscribe means the world and helps us share more fun adventures with Coco and friends. 00.